Hey guys, today I would like to show you a reverb that I've been using lately. Let's listen to the vocals we have.
You don't owe me nothing. I am here for free.
We're gonna use Unfiltered Audio TAILS. First thing, I'm going to set my mix to around 4.5%. We'll leave the gain as is. I would like to set my tone to 70. We'll set it to a 40% damping, bandwidth to 60%, and we'll set the speed to 400. We'll set this to shimmer. We'll use this tilt EQ as a high pass filter at 600 Hertz roughly, and our saturation just around 10%. Enable ducking and set the speed to 55% and leave it at 8th note. Increase the sensitivity a little bit, and we're ready to listen to it.
You don't owe me nothing. I am here for free.
Here's again before.
You don't owe me nothing. I am here for free.
After.
You don't owe me nothing. I am here.
In context.
You don't owe me nothing. I am here for free.
I think it sounds great. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.